I've been working with my lighting partner CoLight to see if we can get some light, because additional lighting is something that I see a lot of bikers really keen on. So let's have a look and see what they've sent me. So inside here we've got two light units. These look really good. Come with connectors already attached. We've got mounting brackets, and yep, there. We've got bolts, we've got sticky pads, so we're all good to go on that. That's looking really promising. I'm going to save the thing I'm most excited about on first sight until the last. Okay, so these are some mounting brackets. I'm going to have a look and see whether these are going to work. We'll find that out on the installation. But this is what I am most excited about, because I see things here that will be key to anybody who's not really confident with their electronics and electrics. So I can see we've got battery mount, fuse supply, we've got switches with a clamp to mount them, we've got the connectors for the lights already set up and ready to go, and we have relays. As much as I'm excited by these lighting units and what they're going to be able to do, the thing I'm most excited about is this, because this wiring harness is key when it comes to the installation, and it's something I think that many of us would look at with some trepidation. You need switches, you need wires, relays ideally if you're going to do it properly. But what relay do you choose? What wire gauges do you choose? How do you wire the relays in? What gauge wire do you need? How do you do it? Well, here it's plug and play. Literally all we've got to do is to bolt this to the battery, find somewhere to put the relays, find somewhere to put the wiring, mount the lights and turn it on. Job's done. So next video is going to be me figuring out how I can get it onto the 390 Duke, which will not be easy, to be honest. I've had a look at the Duke and it's complicated, but for this I'm really excited, so I look forward to seeing you again soon.